before we get started on the video, I just want to let you know that we're almost hitting 100 subscribers. Oh yeah, baby. So, yeah, let's get started on the video. Our story starts off when Remington was walking through the hallways. Man, I'm looking forward to do some fun. McCoggins is at 7th grade. I'll go get him. Maybe it's 7A. Nope, I don't see him. Alright, bye. Let's try 7B. Nope, not here either. Yeah, there he is. You ready to do some fun? No, wait. We need another partner. Well, where do you want me to go to? I want you to go to 6A. Okay. Hey, you, little girl, come here. Okay. Alright then, guys. Are you ready to do something fun? What are we going to do, sir? Well, little girl, we're going to pull the fire alarm. Oh, stop! Yeah, guys, you don't really want to do that. Oh no, we're doing it. I'm going to pull the fire alarm. Yeah! Alright, off you go, McCoggins. Alright, I'm going to pull the other fire alarm. Wish me luck. And I'll pull the other fire alarm too. Let's go! Row, row, row. When the fire drill was over. Yay! Ding dong. McCoggins, Gina, and Remington, please report to my office. You don't ever pull the fire alarm, okay? You guys are gonna go home early. Oh man, I was looking forward to more fun. Yeah, me too. I'm out of here too. It sucks. I want to work here. I want to work back in Tickly Town.